Have you ever stood where history whispers secrets of the past? Welcome to Mount Nebo. This is the fourth video in our series, Travel Through Time in Jordan. Mount Nebo stands tall at 700 meters, overlooking the breathtaking Jordan River Valley. Its coordinates are 31 degrees 46, 0 in and 35 degrees 43.5 feet E. This elevated ridge in the Madaba Governorate is not just a mountain, it's a sacred monument tied to biblical stories. In the Bible, Mount Nebo is where Moses ascended to see the Promised Land before his death. Imagine Moses, standing right here, gazing towards the land he would never enter. From its summit, you can see the city of Jericho and, on clear days, even Jerusalem. The biblical town of Nebo, now known as Khirbet al-Mukhayat, lies just 3.5 kilometers away. Imagine exploring its ruins steeped in ancient history. As you walk the paths of Mount Nebo, you'll find the Brazen Serpent sculpture, an artwork symbolizing Moses' miracle in the wilderness. This piece elegantly connects two significant events in religious lore: the bronze serpent and the crucifixion of Jesus. History also speaks through the Byzantine church built upon the mountain. Constructed in the late 4th century, it commemorates where Moses died. The church has survived through numerous excavations, revealing exquisite mosaics still visible today. This site became a pilgrimage destination centuries ago. Scholars like Sylvester J. Sauer and Virgilio Corbo unearthed its mysteries from 1933. At the summit, they uncovered remnants of the church and its vibrant mosaics that speak of a rich spiritual heritage. In 2000, Pope John Paul II planted an olive tree here symbolizing peace. His pilgrimage and those of other popes underscore the deep religious significance of Mount Nebo. Now, let's step into the modern era of preservation. The site has undergone major restorations, with a new shelter erected in 2016 to protect the mosaic treasures. This allows visitors today to appreciate the artwork from various periods, ensuring the history remains alive. Visiting Mount Nebo isn't just about standing on a hill, it's about stepping into a narrative woven through time. As you gaze across the valley, let the history resonate in your heart. Before we conclude, remember this: Mount Nebo is a testament to faith, history, and human endeavor. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Check the description box for more information. Share this video with friends who share a passion for history and travel. Let us know if there's another place in the world you'd like to explore together. Join us next time as we continue to traverse the echoes of antiquity.